Welcome to Door Finance app. If you have ever wondered how to copy a file without losing to original or how to move a file from one folder to another, then this video is for you. By the end of this lesson, you will know the difference between copy, cut, and paste. Let us start. Before I start creating a folder here, or before starting moving the folders here, let me define what is copy. Copy means making another copy of a file or a folder while keeping the original in its current location. Think of it like photocopying a document. You still have the original, but you also have another copy. Let me show you by creating a folder here. Let me create a folder. Let me call this folder folder A. Let me call it folder A. And let me create another one. Let me call this folder P. Yes, these are our two folders that we are going to work on. So I want this folder A to appear in folder B without removing folder A. So here we are going to copy. So you right click, then you copy, then you come to folder P, you open it, you right click, open, then paste. Using this, you paste. So let us go outside to where our folders were. This is folder A and this is folder B. But when you open folder P, you will realize that we have pasted, or we have taken a copy of folder A. Now we have pasted it in folder P. And if we open folder B, you will see that folder A. This is what we call copying. So let us go back. Let us see cutting. First, cutting means moving a file or a folder from one location to another. Unlike copying, the original file does not stay in its location. Let us see how it works. For example, here we want to take folder P to folder D to folder A. First, let us cut. You right click, then you cut, then you open, you paste here. So when you go back to the original, you realize that we have lost folder P. And the way is it is inside here in folder A. That's what we call cutting or cutting a folder. You cut a folder, then you put it or you paste it in another folder. It doesn't have or it is original state. That's why when you go back to our folders, you realize that we don't have a folder out here. This applies to other files. For example, if you had a Word document, let us look for Word document. If you had a Word document, so and you save this, let me. If you have a Word document, I'm just trying to save the Word document, and you see our files are in the desktop. So this is our Word document. Let me save it outside here. So the Word document is saved outside our folders. Also, maybe So if you want to do the same, you do the same procedure. You copy. If you want to copy, you copy this, you paste inside here. The Word document it will remain outside here. But if you cut, the Word document will disappear. That's it. If you cut and you paste here. So when you come outside, you realize you don't have that Word document outside there. No what? Cut. Paste. Yeah, like that. There's no, or you don't see the document. So the pasting and the cutting of a folder or a document, any document, it might be Excel, it might be a Word, it might be our PowerPoint, you all paste inside here. But if you want to move a file, let us say file P, let us take a copy, then go back, paste it here, and let us go for Word document, copy, go back here, paste it here. So we want to move these files without copying or cutting to this folder A. So you take this, you click, you drag, then you move. You can see move to folder A. You take it there. Like that. Then folder, you take the Word document, also you can and move there. It will replace the documents because inside the folder A, there is a Word document and there is the folder B. That's why you see this thing popping up. So we replace like that. And you can see we have moved the document to folder A. So that's how we do cut, copy, and moving the document. Finally, I take this opportunity to say thank you. And if you have found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to your finance hub, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Share this video with anyone who is learning basic computer skills. Thank you for watching, and I see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye.